Okay, friends, for our letter sound center today, we're going to do letter sounds O and P. Now remember, the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. Okay, now remember yesterday we talked about how O is one of our vowels. Our 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. So O is going to have 2 sounds. O can say ah, and O can say O. So remember that when we're looking at our pictures. Again, O can say ah, and O can say O. Now look at how I'm not picking up my pencil while I'm tracing my O. I'm keeping my pencil down and tracing around O. Now I'm going to move down to my P, and remember P is going to say pa, 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 like if something's popping. So for P, I'm going to start at the top, straight line down, come back up to the top, and curve around. Lowercase p is one of my letters that falls. So I'm going to go straight line down, falling under that bottom, and curving around. Remember, P is going to say pa, 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 pa. Okay, let's look at our pictures. I have octopus, pa, pa, pizza, otter, penguin, olive, orange, pencil, pretzel. I'm going to cut out my strip of pictures, holding my scissors the proper way, and chop, chop, chop. And I'm going to cut out this first picture of an octopus. I'm going to listen again. Octopus. I hear aw. So I'm going to put just a dot, not a lot, and glue down my octopus. Let's look again at our pictures. We have pizza, otter, penguin, olive, orange, pencil, pretzel. Remember, O is going to say ah or O, and P is going to say pa, pa, pa. All right, my friends, do your very, very best, and please remember to bring this with you at Writing Block. I will see you soon.